guys, have you been cruising around YouTube looking for that channel that'll satisfy your crafting needs? Well, you're in the right place. On my channel, you'll learn crafty tips, tricks, product reviews, and I'll give you a little behind the scenes about my life. I'm Shayna, and I'm the founder and CEO of Krause Kreations, where I specialize in these little daddy dolls right here that you see. They come with awesome embroidery in the back and the image of your choice in the front. Alright, and also these little keychains. This is the OG keychain, and this right here is the little brand new shorty for 2019. Hope you check me out on Etsy, Krause Kreations 100. Alright, I hope you hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. I'd love for you to drop a comment down below. Just say hello, get to know me. I'd love for you to let me know what is your hobby? What do you like to craft on? Is it embroidery? Is it sewing? Is it paper crafting? Is it vinyl? Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.